Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how can you appeal about an issue to Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the application, simply click to your account and then go to help and support section here. And from there, go to help center and it will lead you to the help center of Facebook. Just simply have to search report into here, and then you can get so many options here like report something, report content on Facebook, report a Facebook message. How do I report abusive photo on Facebook? Just simply find the one solution that you are searching for. Just for a reference, I'm selecting this option here. If you're having problem with abusive photo, what can you do? Simply read these options here and then follow this into your Facebook. This way you can report a person, page or group into Facebook which might have been abusive and spreading the sexual contents, also spreading hate towards something. You can stop them by following the instruction from Help Center in Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.